Whenever Reolink detects a person or object, it automatically records and saves the clip to the microSD card. So it's not saved to your cloud or your phone. But in this video, I will show you how to save it yourself to keep the clip safe. Open Reolink app. Tap on the playback to access the saved clips. Here you could find all the clips that are recorded when your sensor has detected a moving object, and it automatically saves into your microSD card. Here you could see the date of the recording. Tap on the filter icon, then you could apply a filter. For example, you're just interested in the recording of people, then select person and then tap on confirm, and then you could see it only has got one recording on 5th of December. Tap on it to play the video. You could see the person is walking in the video, and then you could tap on the download icon and then tap on the download icon again. This would then start downloading the video. Tap on done, and then if you go to your photos library, you could play the downloaded video and share it with anyone else if you want to.